Hello fellow maulers, this is Ron Strange and more, back with another video here. I'm over here at the Three Rivers Rambler depot and everything here in Knoxville, Tennessee for this tourist railroad they got. They run it periodically, but thought I'd show you all these switchers they got set in here for the Knoxville and Holston River, little short line railroad. Looks like a SW1200 and a SW1500. Got old Golf Mobile in Ohio type paint scheme to them with the wings. It's a pretty awesome paint scheme. Number 1269 and 2002 sitting here. They're shut off, so I'm guessing maybe they just parked them here for today. I don't know if they're doing any switching or not, but here's the Three Rivers Rambler depot they built for the tourist train. I can't get right up on these things, but I'll show you guys from the fence right here. Nice looking locomotive. Looks like they've been well maintained and took care of. Pretty cool. Anyways, I'll kind of be quiet here and just kind of film the video here. You guys enjoy. I'll walk up here and get a shot of the other side here for you guys. You guys take a look at it here. I don't know if you guys can see them freight cars up there, but that's CSX's freight yard here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Well, it's one of their smaller ones. I don't know if it's the main freight yard, but got a bunch of rail cars sitting up there. I would go up there and film, but I don't know I'm allowed up in there or not. I guess I would be, as long as I didn't go up into the yard, but This is here at the Knoxville Commons here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Yeah, this is where they run the tourist railroad. I'm not really sure what times, but it's the Three River Rambler. Little tour of Knoxville with it. A few passenger coaches on the rear. So this is the Knoxville Holston River Railroad owns all this, apparently. Knoxville and Holston River Railroad. Sorry, I hope I'm not moving the camera around too much here. Yep, Knoxville and Holston River Railroad. There's some big cranes over there. I don't know what they're doing. That's CSX's main line right up there on top of that hill. I've got an older YouTube video I did up there a long time ago. Here's my wonderful Pontiac G6 sitting over there. It's been a pretty good car. But anyways, let me get up on these locomotives here. Thought I'd do a shot of the other side. Talked to a gentleman a while ago. I think it might have been the engineer. I think he parked him and he's leaving for the day. And he told me it was fine that I film and everything. He's a really cool guy. Oh, I love this old SW1200 right here. I could be wrong. That may not be a 1200, but if I'm wrong, you guys can correct me. Got ditch lights on it. Hope that glare of the sun ain't messing the video up here. Boy, I bet that old thing's been around. Yep, that old thing could tell some stories. Probably an old L&N or something, possibly, or maybe a Southern, I don't know. This is a newer one right here, SW1500 2002. Nice looking locomotives though. I love that paint scheme they did. Used to be a green color or whatever that is on the trucks there. There's the depot. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. Sorry, shaking a little bit there. There's the back end of it. Well, I'll walk up here. I might can give you guys a shot of these rail cars up here. Or I'll go around the depot there and maybe show you guys a look at the depot here. I might go up there and do a separate video on that rail yard up there. See if CSX, their yard office is right over there, if they mind if I film up there, but the air will pop off. That noise you guys hear. Letting the air off. Yep, this is wonderful Knoxville, Tennessee. I live in Maryville, Tennessee, but I'm over here all the time. I wouldn't mind living over here. It wouldn't be too bad. Maybe on the outskirts of the city, you know. It's a great place, though. I really enjoy it when I come over here. Lots of stuff to do and film and different things, you know. Tennessee's a great place to live. It really is. Hope I ain't moving the camera around too much here. That's probably UT Lifestar, UT Hospital, just right across the river right over there. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, that's a Lifestar helicopter. Got the Knoxville Holston River relay box here. Yeah, this is a local switching railroad. Plus they run a Taurus line also. Anyways, I might get a shot of the depot here right quick, and they've got a little diesel switcher thing sitting up here. I'm not sure what you call these things, hall comb or comb switcher. I'm not really sure the name of it. It's a neat little thing. It sure is. It's tiny. I'll give you guys a little shot of it here. If I can make it up here before my phone camera shuts off here. My phone's been giving me a few problems here lately, so we'll see what happens. I'm about to get me a 4K camera, so I'll really be able to do some good railroad videos and things. Actually getting ready to get me a house, me and the girlfriend, and just as soon as I do that, I'm going to start work on my Southern Railway HO model train layout. It's going to be a coal hauling train layout. I mean, it'll have some freight and things like that on it too, but primarily it's going to be a coal hauling layout. It's going to have lots of mines, Appalachian mountain scenery, but that's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's one of my favorite railroads, the Southern. Of course, it'll have Clinchfield on it, Family Line, Seaboard, all that stuff running too, but I'm going to do YouTube videos on it every step of the way, the entire build, so you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be really cool. I can't wait. I've always wanted to do that. But anyways, here's Knoxville's Taurus Railroad Depot.